This is the Gen 3 version of the swap station, and this was designed after some learnings of the Gen 2 version, which you might have seen in the other location. So this is a different location where we have deployed the Gen 3 version. So what's different in this? So you might have noticed that in this station, the configuration is much more in a straight manner rather than the slanting version. And the reason for that is because of easier manufacturing and it's more cost effective. And the other thing is that in this station we have taken into consideration the servicing and the maintenance aspect of this swap station. So you might have noticed one more thing, that there isn't any QR code on this. There is a display in the center, and this display has a camera inbuilt. So the client has put in a tab which has an inbuilt camera, and based on face detection feature which they have enabled on their tablet, they are starting a swap, and with the help of that authentication, we are starting the swap and doing our swapping process. Other two major things which have changed on this is the weather stripping which we have included for better sealing, and the other thing is that you might have noticed is that the battery entry is much more funneled down. So as soon as the user comes and inserts the battery, it directs it towards the direction. But in the older design, what happened was we had to adjust it a little bit to the left or to the right in order for this road to be closed. So this is one of the design changes which we have made in this station, so that the battery can be inserted easily and then it has a proper seal with the help of these weather strips. Other than that, we have these speaker support. It can provide two languages as of now, English and Hindi. So the server can choose between English or Hindi by sending a request just before a start. So for example, if a user speaks only English, the server can send a request to change the language to English just before starting the swap, and then the entire swap process is done in English. The audios which come from the station are in English. Any instruction or any abort audios which come from the station are in English. We'll be demonstrating the 2 in, 2 out. We'll be inserting 2 batteries and we'll be getting out 2 batteries.
कृपया बैटरी को स्लॉट 1 में डालें।
You can see the empty slot has opened up. There is a connector here. So it's connected properly. There is an indication which shows what's the SOC of the battery, and you can see it's properly connected, and it's told to close the door and close the door. Next, it will open up a slot which has a fully charged battery.
कृपया स्लॉट 4 से बैटरी लें।
So this is a fully charged battery. I'm removing the connector, taking out the battery.
कृपया दरवाजा सुरक्षित रूप से बंद करें।
Closing the door.
कृपया बैटरी को स्लॉट 4
This
में
slot
डालें।
opens up again for our second battery which the driver has. So this is my second battery which is also drained. Next,
कृपया जारी रखने के लिए दरवाजा बंद करें।
closing it, and I'm waiting for my second battery. So in this process you might have seen we have inserted 2
कृपया
batteries
स्लॉट
which
4
are
से बैटरी
drained,
लें।
and we're getting 2 fully charged batteries.
कृपया दरवाजा सुरक्षित रूप से बंद करें।
That's it. In this manner we have 2 fully charged batteries, and we have deposited 2 batteries which are maybe less charged or discharged.